Hello everyone, I'm your Rani Subramanian. I've come back with new collections from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Today also I brought for you exclusive designer fancy party wear sarees. Everyone likes party wear sarees. If I talk about these party wear sarees, Kesaria Textile is giving you a number of fancy designer sarees which starts from only 500 to 600 rupees. And if I talk about the beautiful packing, we may see and carry every day the laptops like this in the bag. Here the beautiful designer fancy sarees also packed like a same laptop pattern, right? So let's see the samples, how these unique varieties of new collections has come. So please watch this video. If you're really running a retail shop for designer sarees, or you want to start, you want to invest, you can directly tie up with KTC. So please subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon, please click it, and every regular updated videos you can watch and you can do online shopping. Friends, here are the samples. I'm going to show you every saree, and first I will show you the packing, how this works, how it has. I'm going to show you the first is packing. So such a beautiful zipper package with the holder bag, and every designer saree you can see the photocopy of the model shoot which has been done for every saree. And here the first pattern, if I talk about dark maroon color, and this is a saree, and here is a brownish color of the copper finishing with the golden stone work and the thread work. It's a multi-designer fancy saree. If I talk about these sarees, you can buy at factory cost, I can say, and if you display at your showroom, these sarees are at the market, it's 3,000, 4,000, it's getting sold. If I talk about out of the country, where apart from India, like Malaysia, Singapore, many more countries, these designer sarees are having fancy sarees. Every very demand for the Indian collections, how is getting manufactured from the India. So next color, if I talk about the dark wine color, I can say such a beautiful color, or a dark brinjal color also I can say it here. And this saree, if I talk about, see, this is a many more collections of the fabric. This is a light transparent, it's there, the transport tissue pattern, and here is a curving designer saree, and which is a mild piping work has been done, and which is a leaf pattern. The entire stone has been placed, and this saree example, this is a code of the saree. This is like Miss Kia collections, and every saree you will find out with blouse and without blouse. The like this, such many more collections you can find out from KTC. So KTC is giving you such a raw blue color combination with a chiffon based and silver finishing with the copper finishing stones in the checks pattern, and you can see you can see here the Kesaria KTC tag with new history collections. For this pattern, you can see this code with the online sales team. Such a beautiful saree which is highlighted on the veil part. So plain come lightweight chiffon sarees for the designer sarees. If I talk about, you need only pearl design which is placed a pearl around entire saree. We do have a heavy designer sarees also. We do have a weightless sarees. Yellow. Everyone likes yellow because it highlights every woman wherever you are in the crowd. No, it will show you the color because it's a dark contrast color, and here the golden pearls has been placed, and this is also chiffon based, and these are called heavy designer saree. The work you can see how the manufacturer making the saree, and this is coming to the counter and it is going to the market, and people love to wear these collections. These elegant varieties of sarees, if you want to buy, please visit once Kesaria, which is located at Surat, Gujarat State Ring Road, which comes from railway station to just 10 minutes. From airport, it comes only a half an hour. So there's a Millennium Textile Building 1, and the first floor you can visit. And have always demanded color of the onion pink color. And here is a zigzag pattern of the lace highlighted with the KTC, and the thread work and the stone work. This is also a designer saree, multi-designer. Onion pink is one of the very demanded and fast moving collection. So these are the designer sarees. I've just showed you the samples which starts from 500 rupees to, and if I talk about the highest price, it stores only 3,000 rupees. But just think, if you're into a retailing concept, you want to invest and run your business, you can see a well profitable business, I can tell you. So no doubts in that. And textile business, clothing business is a business where all days it runs. And if I talk about the boutique pattern, if boutique designer saree showroom, Please, I can only say, do online shopping and hurry up for these collections to add in your business if you're already into a clothing business. For many more informations, the numbers are on the screen. Sales team is there to communicate to you. Single word once WhatsApp hi hello message is enough to communicate. We do providing you transport shipping services. COD is also available for you, friends. So I can say that directly you can tie up with KTC, and the numbers are there on the screen. And Monday to Saturday also you can visit the shop. If you couldn't travel, go ahead for online shopping. Subscribe the channel, visit our Insta page, YouTube page and the website page, and take many more informations and the regular product videos I'm doing and getting uploaded. So please let me know in the comment box what kind of products you're looking for to have at your business. I'll do that videos also. So I end up this video. I believe that you enjoyed this video. So please like it, share with your friends and relatives, with everyone. Subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Next video we'll meet. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.